Video. Just finished the floors up in here. Pretty nicely done. And the bathroom when you finish the floor. And up top, finished up the floor. That's what it looks like. Alright, tiny home update. We have been pretty busy. So as you can see, we got the trimming in. Got the trimming down. Started the ceiling. Going with the wood, stained wood look. So, we did the trimming. Gotta finish the trimming there. I put up my flip up table. You know, it flips up like that type stuff. We got that installed. And y'all know I had the little mini kitchenette thingy. So, oh yeah, gotta finish off the ceiling here. Gotta go get some more pieces of pallet. I'm just using pallet wood, so I ran out of the thick pieces. And got the lighting going through it. So yeah, I'm gonna trim the top with the floor, as you can see, and then finish trimming it all off. Alright, that's the update for now. Peace. Alright, me and Brando been out here working. He's been working diligently to get this thing done, so we gotta see how this power is gonna go.
Trying to record, but I don't know. It's the sun over there, so it's kind of dark. Ooh. Oh, that is scary.
Very scary, don't you?
Trying to show what you did, but the sun ain't gonna let me be good. Uh-oh. What cushions?